Good thing I brought 2 boxes.
That's why I asked you guys if you brought enough shells.
We sure we needed to add another 10? I didn't even see it. He said far side of the tree. Yeah. Morgan, nice job.
Yeah. Oh, that was all Z, I think.
Oh, Z? Nice. Excellent.
That's all feathers, boy.
Nice red. That's nice and soft at least. That was a hell of a dive.
Oh, man.
Right under the tree. Going.
Thank you. You gonna blast him? No. He's done it before.
There you go, boy.
Morgan, look at that! You pumped the fuck out of that.
You might have been a little too close.
Yeah.
It's a big bird too.
Yeah.
Oh my God!
There's still some meat left.
Yeah.
She's pointing, but I think that's the wrong end.
Get it?
Get up! Get up! Get your ass up!
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
That was fucking epic. Well, I think I peed a little bit.
Oh my God! So we see 5 of 30, I think.
Like beverage dude.
She's right here. Fly out that way.
Nice. Okay. Hey, Bella. Good job. Hey, here. Now, go find it.
Oh, what a shot! Right here, right here. Got to move up.
Woo! There it goes. Nice job, boys.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I see it right here.
Ah! Coming out of here. Right there, right there.
There you go, boys.
I didn't even see him. Where is he? Oh, there it goes.
Right here. Oh, we're gonna go up that way.
Oh boy! Safety first!
Alright.
I missed my headshot. Woo!
Oh shit. Holy shit.
What'd you think of that?
Oh.
There goes the roof. Yeah.
Got it, Will?
It wasn't the one that we're looking for. Well, it may have been. It
Ah.
don't matter. Morgan, that counts as a kill for you.
That's when the bayonet would be handy. Oh shit.
Ah! Oh, I see it. It's under the tree on the other side.
Over behind you.
I didn't even see it. Oh shit.
Oh my God. Get it, get it. Oh, shit. Whale, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, good to get them where they are.
You want to lay them out and maybe get with the
Sure, yeah, whatever works.